Hi, good afternoon, you two people. I'm very excited once again to come with another topic, to talk about something. My channel is about different stuff I talking. So I appreciate your comments. Please leave your comments below and subscribe, share, and like the video. So I really appreciate that. My topic today is about something like the earthquake in the government. That's what I'm going to talk today. And I'm just want to talk about the previous earthquakes in Haiti, a little bit about it because why I want to do that is because um what's always happen, okay? What always happen? First, I'm going to talk about the earthquake was happening on 2010 in Haiti. You all know those have a lot of fundraisings. We can see that when you look at, you can Google and you about Red Cross, okay, Red Cross. Um, there was about 500 million, okay. When you read this organization claim that they only built six, then okay, they only built six permanent home according to a report, okay? According to a report. So it's a lot of things here. I can even read all of them. So I was beginning to read the information was given there. So please, you guys who are really interested on what's going on, the even other people go in Haiti take advantage. That is what bothering me. A poor country like this, we have so many poor people. Okay, that is the concern. How some this non-profit organization can raise more than $500 million to the relief to Haiti after the disaster. Okay, after disaster 2010. Okay, people, you two people, you guys had to take a look because you guys was I can say witness to the earthquake 2010 in Haiti. Okay, it was a terrible. We have a lot of people perish, in this disaster. But the truth is what was going with what? Who was responsible for all this money? Okay, it's about time, for 13 billion. Okay, was okay given, to many people. So to many, and many people give that to help Haiti. But if you stay with the eyes or opening, you can see clearly nothing done, not much done. All the people, and the contrary, the thing is sadder. Okay, it's harder for those people. 13 billion, okay, and I show more, and I'm gonna go further with that. And also with Quas, who supposed to be a non-profit organization, 500 million. Okay, think of that, 500 million. He claimed that, he claimed that he built houses more than okay, 130,000. So me, I don't see where the 130,000 houses built in Haiti. Okay, more, that's that's for me. I don't see that. There's nothing like that been done. Okay, the problem is um so-called Bill Clinton, Hillary Clinton, who were very rich people. So here, we were supposed to be responsible for the earthquake. Okay, when I read previously, uh, A lot of people claims they didn't do nothing. And you can guys can see do. That's the reason why when Hillary Clinton was he go for to be president of this country, no Haitian people was not supported her, give her any vote, because of what her husband done and Haiti also her. They go take advantage from Haiti. Me, when I look at Haiti, I see this like a beautiful lady who get dressed every day, waiting for a man, a man with a good heart to do something for her. But in the contrary, each person go come in, they take advantage, whatever who it is, they continue to take advantage of those people in Haiti, those poor masses people, who live in the worst conditions. I mean, the problem is, it's a pleasure sometimes. They go over there, uh, show how bad they are, how poor they are. They could even do something to help those people. When they have a chance with all this money, it's the large amount in the Haiti. It's not so biggest country. Is when you cut in the map, it's not that big. I mean, if this amount of money can be built, assembled for Haiti, it should have been a better result, and the construction and the condition of these people, and create a job and give these people a better position. When I'm looking at that, they're supposed to investigate Bill Clinton and also everybody who was supposed to responsible for this money. Okay, they're supposed to be a have a investigation about this. We cannot just let this cross over. And also for the government at the time who was in Haiti, it's a terrible thing because me, when I go in Haiti, I don't see nothing. I don't see nothing really done. Everything was the same when I went in Haiti in 2012, when I was mentioned that before. People were sitting there, under the piece of sheet, the cover like a tent. And the condition was terrible. And then even after that, when you see my people, I always have people talking to me, and even my mom, my brother, and say it's nothing being done, nothing, so nothing really been done. So this is like not fair. I know this world is not a fair world, but we need people need to stay with the eyes opening. We cannot let this thing happening over and over and then don't do nothing, don't say nothing. I got all Haitian who living all over the place, all over, everywhere, any country you are. You guys have to put your eyes into this thing. Okay, we have our people over there, our blood there. And it's not only that, all these people are our blood, they're our blood. We're supposed to just, feel comfortable, let everything passing by without saying nothing. They have to have a report given to Haitian people to what was happening with this $500,000. They claim, or there was 100 totally, whatever it was bills. Okay, $500,000,000, not just a small amount. If you look at it, half a billion. So please, I will like people who know, who concerned about this thing, so to have an investigation even about those people. Bill Clinton, Hillary Clinton was like responsible for this money in Haiti. When I heard he was the one who was supposed to be responsible. He was there. I saw him in television and in news. If we were going to Haiti back and forth, I was a little bit happy, have some relief. I think he was going to be there to, because Haiti, the government in Haiti is a common government. It don't really selfless, heartless people, and I was thinking he was going to do something good. But if you look at it, so he don't really do nothing. But why no investigation? Was nothing been done? Why they not go after him, or to, I mean, at least ask question of him, for him to have some answer for the Haitian people, to know why, to what reason this money, I mean, he was supposed to be responsible, I mean, part of this money, to know what is done with that. So this is my question. And then what more now to this earthquake coming right now in Haiti? All right, this is the new earthquake. So I feel really felt my in my heart, I really thinking about it a lot. So about, I felt that they were supposed now either the country can give money, either the money give to this government, current government. I'm thinking if any country what really help to help, you know, Haiti after a disaster, after the flooding, Jack Mel and also Okai, you know, all the department who Jeremy, all the department who got this earthquake, hardly like this. You said a lot of people pass away, people lose their life, and then they lose the family members, and also the house of broken to the ground. And my family is a part of them because they're on department in NIP, is a part of them. Still now, I ask them, do you guys have something? No, nothing never done. Not even a gallon of water, not even a gallon of water, nothing really done for them, and the house is all the way broken to the ground. Okay, so when I see that Venezuela, okay, American, all people, China, if you had to give a lot of money to who? To the same common people. If you guys want to really help Haiti, help Haitian, you guys should form an organization, okay? A different organization who will be here for this when you have a disaster, because those people cannot be trusted already. Even this Ariel, who the prime minister, I just listened to the news, Haitian news. You know what? I don't have a confirmation of that, but I just heard that. All the money they give to, I mean, to this government already, they already started, to buy BMW, for Andre Michel, for the opposite party. You know why he want to do that? He don't want them to persecute them. He want to buy the mouth. So they don't go after him really. This opposite people, they are only there to create chaos, to create fear on people. But even so, why you should be this is another corruption really going on with this money happening. The poor people gonna barely see and smell this money, and I'm guessing they are gonna be in the tent for years, just like after 2010 a earthquake was happening. People having open eyes. If you really want help Haiti, you're not gonna give billion, your million, your 3, 4 million, whatever you give to this current government. Those people are heartless people. They basically not gonna give them nothing. Okay, I'm really concerned here. I'm really concerned. Please, uh, people who watch me, please share the videos. It's very important. Share the video and subscribe. Let somebody else let's share this video so even this calm government can see it. They don't have a heart, they should do have a plan for the nation. Okay, in case we have a disaster, what they have for they don't have nothing for this nation. That's how much they don't care about the Haitian, their own people. All they care is get the money, go or the countries, different country, whatever, Dominicani or come America, buy beautiful houses, beautiful ring for the white diamond ring, so they don't care about the poor in Haiti. That is the concern. The concern is it's time for all this nation can put together, like put together, have a organizations are going to be there if they have a responsible, especially for this disaster, like something happening, when this money come in to for the help of the those people, so they can have it. At least they can have a little bit in the hand. It's not fair for every time you guys not tell me keep giving money to Haiti, keep giving money to the to this corrupt government, heartless government, a selfless government. I mean, those people only see themselves. They don't care about other people but themselves. They pocket, they pocket. They are more selfish, very selfish people. Okay, it's ready to see one good. We was having one, go all over the place. Okay, you know what? They assassinated him. Okay, they assassinated him because he was defending the poor, because he was going to the place they none of them never went. Okay, to the worst place, forgot it, where they forgot those people. The condition are very bad. They did never go there because they feel so comfortable on themselves. Okay, that's what I was gonna say today. Please subscribe on this channel. Please give me a thumbs up. And that's why I go to compare those to the earthquake from 2010 and this earthquake, please, who happened in August 2021. So I just want to talk about it. Please subscribe and you guys do your research about there's more thing I should talk about maybe later another time. That's why I refer to these people. I mean, like this he's already rich. Imagine you're really rich. How come you go to this poor humanity, poor country like this, and then you know what? Try to take you should do the best, because I'm telling you, God wash over all of that. None of us gonna be escaped from this. Okay, no people gonna be escaped from this, because there's a God who wash over everything. Even he don't say nothing, but he have a last day. He have the last day. So that's how I was gonna compare, and I hope people will hear this message, and then they maybe can think about the situation. Don't just go in there to have a documentary about those people, how bad how they are, but take it and do something better. Do something better for these people. Okay, they're suffering enough. Okay, they are suffering enough. And each time you see those people, you see after this earthquake, especially this earthquake, and then you will say wang. Okay, very hard rain on top of them. Those crying old people, young people, with the babies in the hand, and they're not even in their tent, the regular tent. Please, it was just a sheet. They was take a couple to a little stake put in that. I mean, just to be there, and then imagine the rain over them. Please, I don't have the click to show you guys. I get you guys can go that and see it for you guys self, please. Those people are human being. They are human being, have blood, and they have blood. So I will just please say that, because I can, I just can say, because I'm telling you, people should be really aware of this kind of thing, especially please Haitian people, please, who hear that. Don't just look at it and then don't do nothing. If you can share this thing, it is a good thing. And the more people who see it, is the better it is. God bless you. Stay with God, and God bless you very much. And I love you, all of you. Okay, stay with the grace of the Most High God. Bye.